So previously they had a vent that kind of resembled this one, which is designed for bathrooms, not designed for dryers because they clog up really easy and they're extremely easy for birds or rodents to get into it. So we put these on there. The hood itself down below this is specifically designed for dryers. This is the defender cage. So it goes over the top of the hood because if the weeds and stuff like that grow, they can potentially lock the damper open, which makes it easier for birds or rodents to get into it. But the hood itself is bird and rodent deterrent, so you don't need to have it. But to add secondary protection, we put that over the top. So they've been drying for 5 years now, and that's pretty clean for 5 years. So this is what we like to see, is a nice clean vent so that it breathes properly. They have got good airflow still. So, but we're gonna clean this up for them, get it all set so they can go another 5 years.